Treis drothas bant sa mouta hain or fi Kirkagid, hashil Fernamáníocht the Fifa Limneach go dread Auno Garnig, the Dunamiathlish and Clár and Mouta Do the Craobh na Moon fulfill. Brian Tyres is Pat Flory Hamon Trotter of the.
Tasalt the mark Gadas again. Burchukama Homa again Ty Bodie. Rishne turn about the group in Susan Stetter Agus Wilshire and Vehi slash Baden or Philid. Todd, Dirk last dig and goal again Fred Hagerty.
Chef, score Ella, Sompa Ella, then Crinis of winning Lesha Versha. I and Shedeshin and Neil end out go make score in the Falig of Versha.
Lordach Bound Boyle, Luimneach Edit the Valley. Agus yet Sunday and noon see Agus Ta Kursi Korame, good deal, Agus Katapagan son again Owen Brosnan. Reached the fair sire. Flanagan of Ruchen King Giddy Richardson and Corkama nach Moore ach Richardson a Fordin Pokamach ik kreeg no na gluiseach de gomma.
La Cooley Lawrence on Agus vi se Christical Orch and Rihis Jackson Spas Dairy Glash Bogger Contosik Agus Dairy Glash and score in I'm show.
Agus a will score fachter Lordach mar ragra target dain fein Egan and Clár Shane ma dia Kate is Dackery the Scaround. Ach gedi gunning. Omega shoot Marco Hogan, Tasha the Gnacht Joe, and Junior Yasha Gazette Hogan, good dealer fad, Sanair and Sanaga Marco Cleary. Fair last year, Shane, Fred Hagerty, Buaicphointí, Erachai Hulacht and Saga, Agus Brook Imshire.
Tag it out, Shin and Faga will share, and Wehan Sun Better go will the Himroriella, Abelte, I'm sure the pass in the machine.
Fanna Talon, Stacha Joe Graham Ball. Agus dianta gomhaige a géadíach nis marsin takeíocht láistigh agus a dulchan Keenan son tá Michael Power a réist an chosaint fíoch for an son ach an méidsin ráite tá paint an a bhráfachta Michael Collins. Tóca Richardson an cosantóir le cois. Stechan sa agus ó canlach bhí an losca beagán rómhúr agus ró ada slachta hinsa ag Matthew O'Halloran. Duan, a techtastach agus an nartú sáidtige, Lis marsin Hugh Flanagan, a techt leistig an sa, agus sin pass an iaschan tosig, an ille a gero ach os a hiún sheer, sin count the Phointí and lay, an son a Luimneach. Techtamach a drone Clíháin. Tá ruhar a dhéanamh an sonastig, smachta hige John O'Connor, a dynach Calís siúd, Fightige chummo eigent. An a chongracht an Líne an counts an buirtisteach agus a gútaiste tá brat á gháirdachaistig. Is friste bheith cainte inis a raibh sé ceartige gunning an pass a hút. Tá count tuag inis carcalóraige diaint a rosaige Joe Casey. Caiteach an cínaige siúd. Tomás O'Connor a réist trúr meolta. A dúrig Joe Casey fescóil. Stechan sa an tunna dírum hús na himara agus tá Tomás O'Connor 3 pointe braghailt. An chuirgnach dacrach dá líad aige agus Neil agus tá na cuairtóirí chun tosaigh bauta a bháin eile agus well na costantóirí Owen Gunning ar chuineá an sonnaistigh láthreach agus an léigear áirithe. Steach go leor slí agus máilinn tharaing eile. Omega fiarantar na cúlaí tá ceann mórgraí ard seoltaisteach tharraiste drasnán ag Jamie Máilinn trícing inis an. Seoltaisteach aige gan gúlbáir with sé roiáda tá go leor daoine stig agus tá an sliotar agus na Cláirín agus táilimach tá nadóg séite gan ré tower.
We went in at half-time and we knew that we were performing better. We weren't ahead, but we were performing better and the lads brought a higher standard and used the ball better. Going down the straight again, we were behind 10 minutes to go in that match again. We were behind this evening and it took a lot of grit from the lads and we turned to our bench for that and they bring it.
We've learned a lot from last year. Look, the Munster final just didn't go our way on the day, but look, we're back again this year and we've a lot of experienced players that went through that kind of heartbreak that we had last year in the Munster final. So look, we're going to relish the battle now this year again and look, hopefully our experience can stand to us as we go on in the competition.